Oh, yeah, it looks really good.
Yeah, they spelled our names right.
Yeah.
Hey, neighbors!
Hey, Sal.
How did you get in here?
What do you need, Sal?
Don't you have a workshop coming up? Ain't y'all gonna be at Arrowmont?
We have a workshop there in October, Sal.
Well, October's a mighty fine month to be up in them hills. I'd say them students are pretty lucky to be taking a class from you alls in such a picturesque place, don't you think?
Picturesque, Sal. Picturesque. What do you need, anyway? You can't borrow the machete again. Last time you left a bunch of sticky stuff all over.
Hey, where's that baby out of Laurie?
It's in
Don't worry about where she is.
She's coming with us.
So you all three are gonna be teaching then?
It's the plan.
Well, I'm glad to watch over the house and all y'all are gone since I've been living in the shed.
What?